Do you format cells one by one when editing a table? The Format Painter tool can quickly copy the specified format and paste it into several cells. Take this table as an example. Assume that we want to copy the format of cell A1 and apply it in several cells. Click Edit and open the Tools bar. In the Home menu bar, select Format Painter. Click the cells you want to apply the format to paste the format. If you drag the triangle symbol, this cell format will be pasted in the continuous range of cells. After completing the setting, how can we exit the edit state of the Format Painter? You can simply click Done in the upper right corner. We can also fill the desired cells with color across columns using the Format Painter. Select the format range of cells you want to copy, activate the Format Painter function, click on the fourth row of the table, and drag the triangle symbol down. In this way, we can quickly interlace the color we filled in the table. We can also use Format Painter across sheets. For example, now we want to copy the format in sheet 1 and paste it in sheet 2. Switch the sheet and click the desired cell. Then the cell format will change accordingly. In WPS Office on PC, the use of Format Painter is more diversified. It's recommended to use this function in WPS Office on PC.